In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and use payment links in Airwallex. Now, the first thing you want to do on your dashboard here, you want to go to the bottom left and you want to click on Payments, and then you want to go to Payment Links down here. Now, I'm going to show you how to do this inside a Sandbox demo account, but it's going to work the exact same way for your real account as well. So here, you want to click on a new payment link, and then it's going to start loading for a few seconds, and when this loads in, you'll be able to customize this. So what you have to do first is link amount and details. Of course, you have to type them in. So here you have the option to enter the amount yourself. So you have to type in the amount here, or you could go and select my customer will enter the amount. So for this one, we're just going to enter the amount ourselves. I'm going to type in, for example, 100 USD. You can change the currency over here as well. They have a bunch of different currencies available. And if you do my customer will enter it, then over here, you'll have to select which currencies you want this payment link to support. Okay. So again, we're going to go 100 bucks over here. The title is going to be tutorial link over here. Description is going to be that as well. And then you can add an internal reference if you want to. And of course, descriptions are optional as well. I'm just going to skip this. And then over here, you have customer information. So it says we collect name and email for all your transactions. And you can then go ahead and require customer addresses as well. You can go and set the message over here, which is optional, reference, phone number, etc. So I'm going to select billing address only over here. And then you have to select link validity. So it could be one time only, or it could be reusable. I'm going to make it reusable for now, and I'm going to make it active until, let's actually change this, I'm going to make it active till the end of September 2026. Then over here, you can just click on preview to actually kind of preview this payment link. And it's going to load in like this, and you'll be able to see your preview for the desktop versions and for the mobile version. So as you can see, it looks like this. There we go. You can then hit the done button and click on create over here. And what's going to happen here, there we go, you're going to get a link, and to use it, you can now use the share button over here, which allows you to either send emails or get QR codes for your payment links, or copy the link over here, or you can just click on copy link over here. And whenever somebody actually goes ahead and opens this, so if I open this inside an incognito tab, it's going to be a payment link where they'll be able to pay you. Okay, so as you can see, we have everything here. There's my name, there's my description, and then here it says who you're paying to, the order amount, and then you have to enter the information which was required as well, and you can then continue to payment and pay if you're the one, of course, clicking on this payment link. So that's how these work. It's super simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.